In this demo, we will show the new Geo-Replication feature for Azure Service Bus. For this demo, we will use a console application which sends and receives messages to a queue in Service Bus. As such, we will spin up a producer which sends messages and a consumer which will pick them up. The producer creates a list of messages to be sent and then sends out the messages in parallel. Once a message is sent, an entry is added to a database. On the other side, we have our consumer. This consumer checks if there are any messages available on the queue. If any messages are available, the consumer receives and processes these messages and completes them so they are removed from the queue. Let's start the application and see these messages being sent and received. As we will notice, the messages are being sent and received on the East US2 region. Now let's promote the secondary region, which will switch the region which we communicate with. For this, we click the Promote button on the secondary region which we want to promote, provide the requested information, and click the Promote button. Once this has finished, we can switch back to our console application. We notice that the producers and consumers run into a state where they cannot reach the queue, as the namespace is being promoted. One thing that happens during promotion is that the DNS is updated to point to the new primary region. When using our SDKs, this will all be handled for you. So the only thing you need to make sure is that you have retry logic in your application. Once the promotion is finalized, we see that the application continues sending and receiving from the namespace in the new primary region. Let's have a look at our database. For this application, we log every time that a producer has sent a message, as well as when a consumer has completed a message. As such, for each message ID, we expect 2 entries in the database. If we look at a message, we indeed see both a send and a receive. Moreover, we can also find messages that have been sent in one region and received in another region after promotion. Let's find the message ID for one of these messages, so we can check the details for it. This will allow us to see the regions where this message was sent and received. As we can see, this message was sent in South Central US and received in West US 3. So, as we saw in this demo, the new Geo-Replication feature for Azure Service Bus allows us to easily switch our workloads from one region to another with minimal downtime and without any changes needed to our clients.